Virginia sweetspire, Atea virginica, is a lovely native shrub that adds beauty and interest to gardens with its elegant white flower spikes and attractive fall foliage. Here's a guide on how to grow and care for Virginia sweetspire. 1. Planting. Choose a location that receives partial shade to full sun. Virginia sweetspire can tolerate a range of soil types, but prefers moist, well-draining soil. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Place the plant in the hole at the same depth it was growing in its nursery container. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. 2. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the plant's establishment period. Once established, Virginia sweetspire is relatively drought-tolerant, but regular watering during dry spells will promote healthier growth and flowering. 3. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or shredded bark, around the base of the plant. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 4. Pruning. Virginia sweetspire has a naturally neat growth habit and typically requires minimal pruning. You can remove any dead or diseased branches to maintain its health and appearance. Light pruning after flowering can help maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. 5. Fertilizing. Generally, Virginia sweetspire doesn't require heavy fertilization. If you want to enhance its growth and flowering, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. 6. Pests and diseases. Virginia sweetspire is generally resistant to most pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids, which can be treated with insecticidal soap if necessary. 7. Flowering. Virginia sweetspire blooms in late spring to early summer, producing fragrant, drooping white flower spikes that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. 8. Fall color. One of the highlights of Virginia sweetspire is its vibrant fall foliage. Leaves turn shades of red, orange, and purple, adding beauty to the autumn landscape. 9. Winter care. Virginia sweetspire is hardy and can withstand cold temperatures. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of the plant in late fall can help protect its roots from winter frost. 10. Propagation. Virginia sweetspire can be propagated through softwood cuttings, taken in early summer or by dividing mature plants in late winter or early spring. 11. Wildlife attraction. The flowers of Virginia sweetspire attract pollinators, making it a valuable addition to pollinator-friendly gardens. Overall, Virginia sweetspire is a relatively low-maintenance shrub that rewards gardeners with its charming flowers and stunning fall color. By providing the right growing conditions and a bit of care, you can enjoy the beauty of this native plant in your landscape.